Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Issa here. Today we're going to do a little review. Consonants. G, girl, G. J, jug, J. B, bike, B. D, desk, D. Short vowels. A, apple, A. E, elephant, A. I, insect, itch. O, octopus, ah. U, umbrella, up. Great job with your vowels. Welded sounds. A-M, ham, am. A-L-L, ball, all. I-N-G, ring, ing. Digraphs, 2 letters, 1 sound. Q-U, quarter, qu. C-K, sock, k. C-H, chin, ch. S-H, shell, sh. T-H, thumb, f. W-H, whale, w. P-H, phone, f. Okay, let's work on some words with an and am. Remember, an says an, am says am. Let's practice blending. An, man. An, fan. And, hand. Great job. And, sand. Am, ham. Am, yam. Am, clam. Great job, boys and girls.